Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina and today we're going to set up my PaperTess Designs B6 planner for the week of June 10th through the June 16th. I'm going to be using my absolute favorite stickers from Graceful Muse Paperie, and I have a nice 20% discount code for anyone who wants to check out her shop for the first time. All you have to do is go to the description down below and look for the link with the discount. It will be automatically added when you create a new account with the Graceful Muse shop. These sheets I'm using today are actually part of her mystery subscription, and this is the Deco bundle. I believe it's the biggest one they have. I did a full unboxing of this bundle on my channel before, so make sure to check it out if you haven't already to see everything what's inside. I start with decorating my pages with washi strips. This bundle is printed on premium extra thin washi paper, which is new to the Graceful Muse shop, and I gotta be honest with you, this is my favorite paper of all others. It's extra soft and so thin that it doesn't bulk up planner pages at all. And my planner is already very chunky at this point, so I don't need any more. I'm also using my own stickers. They printed on the washi paper as well, but mine is a little bit different. It's more sturdy and vibrant, but feels a little bit thicker, just a tad different. I also got a cutting machine this spring. Yay! And now I can't stop printing stickers. I'm just so happy to print out beautiful digital stickers by my favorite artists, and also to design and cut my own stickers with my own designs. Now I'm actually trying to master some florals to have spare on hands with me, as addition to Graceful Muse Paperie kits and some kits from other shops, because I usually stretch these kits for a couple of weeks in a row, but I run out of florals way faster. So if you're interested in this type of content, I can actually record my process of designing stickers for myself using the Silhouette machine and their software. Let me know in the comments what do you think, if you want to see it. If you're not, please shoot me a message. Thank you! Another important thing I wanted to mention is that I'm trying to combine my planning and my journaling system in one book for this month. So as you can see, my setup is a little bit different from my usual one. I still divide my page into 2 columns, as you can see, but now they're both for just one day of the week. So pretty much as the planner was supposed to be used by Tess when she designed it. So far it's going pretty well. First I'm writing my to-dos for the day, and then I go on to journal about what happened. The B6 size of this planner is absolutely amazing for me and works perfectly for everything I need. I find that A5 size is a little bit too much sometimes, unfortunately, and it takes a lot of effort to make it work for me. So I'll keep you updated on how it goes and probably film a separate video about my planning and journaling system and routines right now, because I just keep experimenting as the year progresses and really can't wait to just try all the new things and ideas that come to my mind. At the very end here, I've added some foiled little stickers from Paper Trail Plants with the rose gold foil. It looks absolutely heavenly together with this kit, and I have such strong Victorian summer vibes from this setup. Ah, can't wait to use these spreads. I hope you've enjoyed this video, my dear friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye!